Well, g'day everyone and welcome back to the channel. All right, quick little what's on the bench video. Pretty busy with knife making this week, so I don't have time for much more than a what's on the bench. I've got these little truffle tools. They're due out. I've got to try and get them in the mail on Saturday. It's Thursday night now, so I need to get these handles finished and some sheaths made. This is what happened with one of them, so I had to remake it. That's why, yet again, I'm running late. Always be careful when you're straightening your blades that you don't put too much force on them, because that's what happens. So, need to get those ones handle shaped and some sheaths made, and that's about it. They don't get sharpened because they're a digging tool. Okay, we have here a butcher's knife. This is for Doug at his way homestead. And a friend of both of ours is actually getting this for him, and Doug doesn't know who it is, so bad luck, Doug. That's some lovely Tasmanian blackwood that Doug's chosen. It's a stainless steel butcher's knife, much like the one I made for myself to go on the course with. So yeah, there's that one. I've got another stainless steel butcher's knife that I just made up. That one's not going anywhere at the moment. I was just working on another one while I was at it. I also need to do a carbon steel butcher's knife for Jake at Nanya, Texas in the back 20, and I also need to design some camp knives for him. He wants a few camp knives to give away. Great bloke giving them away, but yeah, he's a pain in the butt and making it really hard because he leaves it up to me completely as to a design. Have a little knife here, utility knife. This is for one of my subscribers. That has some spalted messmate as the handle, so lovely little piece of that. Just here, this is brown mallee and another little utility knife. This is the giveaway knife for Sherry at Two Family Homestead. So that one's well underway. I'm still waiting to hear back from Vonnie at Grandma So Happy and Laurie at Firefly Farm, so I finished designing some knives up for them. Now this here is going on a special knife. It's going on a birthday present for Terry, but she's asked that I do not show the knife in the videos because she wants to be surprised by it. I have shown her pictures of the handle material. You see there, a lovely looking little piece. It has got a little bit of blade burn and that sort of thing from where I split it, but that will clean up nicely. But yeah, lovely little piece of timber. So I will be making a knife for her as well. Just not gonna video that. All right, so there we go. That's what's on the bench at the moment. As I said, there's still a few more to hit the bench, and pretty busy with them. Still got room to make a few more before I head over to the States. Just need to sort out exactly what I'm doing, but yeah, these ones here crunching me for time at the moment, so I got to get them out by the weekend. All right, folks, I just need to splice this little piece in, because what's a knife video without seeing some beautiful finished handles? How pretty did they come up? All right, thank you very much everyone for watching, and bye for now.